everybody, Steven John Drew here from Gonna Geek Gear here with another unboxing. This time it's the Sennheiser IE40 Pros. If you followed me for a while, you know that I use some other in-ear monitors, but curiosity, I've used them for a while, and I'm curious about things when they're on sale. Plus, you know, been staying at home for so long, so you know how that is with online purchasing. Anywho, let's get into this unboxing. You can ignore the yellow labels. The retailer, it wasn't actually online, but the retailer that I got this from actually does this on all their stuff. And I thought if I ripped it off, it might look terrible. It might leave a bunch of I don't know, tear off marks. So I thought I would just leave that on there. But let's just have a look here. And by the way, that's Canadian price. If you're like, holy cow, you got ripped off. I paid less than that. Okay, I paid less than that and it's Canadian price. So on the side, you've got, I don't know, some form of QR code. You have the specs right there. If you would like to pause and read, there you go. You can see that. On the back, if you'd like to pause and read, again, let's just go ahead and have a look there. See what you see. On the side, pretty boring. And then at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and get into it here. Here we go. We've got, oh, was not expecting that, I have to say. I wasn't expecting that. Is soft. See? Ooh, it's squishy. It's foam. Okay. Oh, that's a nice presentation. I gotta hand it to them. Look, that's squishy. On the back, that's cardboard, and we have a nice little Sennheiser holder. I think I should frame that. What do you think? Should I cut that out? I should put it in a photo. Oh, I've already wrecked it. But maybe, oh, look, it shined on the camera. Do you see that? I can't recreate that, but you can go replay that. Oh, there it is. See, I did recreate it. Okay, now we have a case that is one of those, I don't know what you call it, but you can bend it. And then inside are the individual tips there. We've got different colored tips, as well as the wax remover. This is what I'll call that. That is the ear wax remover. Yeah, have that visual there. You are going to have all sorts of ear wax pulled out from there, from cleaning your IEMs. The gross visual. Gross. Moving on, before we get to the actual units, we have the manual. I'm not going to open that all up. I'm sure there's a PDF. And if you would really like, it is the silica pack. Ooh, I know. It's exciting. Again, maybe I should frame that as well. And then lastly, here are the actual monitors. So those came out quite nicely. I had to give it a little bit of a tug. Okay. I really hope all of these tips aren't like this. These are those rubber tips. I hate these. My experience, I don't like how they sit. I find that they don't give a consistent sound with the ones that I've used. Now, they could be different, so I am judging based off another product, but I've used these on a couple different pieces, like earphones and on the IEMs that I use now. And I just find it's very hard to get them in your ear the same every time you use them. I find the foam ones, once you find the right fit, they're more consistent. But anyways, if you'd like to have a look, you can see here. These are them here. I can't tell which is which. I'm sure that instructions say, but one is left, one is right. And then let's have a look. That looks like that's a little bit longer of a cord here. Let's have a look. Okay. So you can see wraps a couple times on that box. I don't have a tape measure here, but anyways, that gives you an idea. Maybe I'll measure that and talk about that in the description or something. I don't know. But that's the unboxing of the Sennheiser IE40 Pro in-ear monitors. Actually, you know what? Before I wrap that up, let's have a look and let's see actually what it specifically is in here. Let's dump these out. Okay. That's disappointing. You've got two foam ones. So you got two foam tips, and the other two in here are those rubber ones. hopefully, I don't know. I'll see. I have a feeling they're probably cross-compatible with other brands and generic ones. I'll have a look and see. I'll start with these. Maybe these will be a good fit for my ears. Otherwise, I'll have to try a third party because I'll give these a shot, but I tend not to like these rubber ones, but maybe you do. So there you go. Now that is the unboxing of the Sennheiser IE40 Pro in-ear monitors featuring the ear goo remover.